Hello again and welcome along to the Camper Vansit. This episode is entitled Windscreen Welding Part 4. The plan today was to try and repair the top near side corner on the windscreen frame. Here's the wooden template that the apprentice made last week for forming the curve. And here it is roughly fitted up against the area where the repair needs to take place. I must admit I got a bit overexcited and forgot to film the next bit. So essentially I cut some fringes, for want of a better word, into the short edge of the channel about halfway along its length. And now you see I've clamped the steel to the template and then it just rolls around it to take the shape of the curve. I did initially think it would need hammering, but it bent so easily, and that's probably, I think, why I got so excited. And here's the curved bit of steel, more or less roughly the final shape, but it will be shaped to fit. So I've cut off one end of the curve so I can test fit it slightly easier, and you can see the shallow cuts to make it simpler to form the shape. And after a bit more shaping, the other end's cut off. I used a hammer to adjust the position of some of the tabs, just make the fit a little bit more snug. And here's a piece loosely clamped into place with a G-clamp. And now it's finally welded into place. Please don't judge me on my welding, it is purely structural. It will get tidied up later on. There is another hole there that needs filling as well. After grinding down the welds, I cut the edge of the channel down so it fit and then slapped on a thick layer of anti-rust primer. Just to note, if you're going to do this yourself, this sort of bending of the curve, be careful when you go to cut with an angle grinder because it acts as like a shield, so all the sparks which normally get chucked away end up hitting you straight in the face. And here's one last view of the whole of the repair work done so far. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please consider subscribing to our channel. You can also follow our page on Facebook or visit our website at www.thecampervansit.co.uk.